Yeah, Coleon, aka Tommy Gibbs, Flamboyant Entertainment, DITC, forever. What up? Tired of these punk niggas, hit them like this. Check it out. Yo, why y'all standing on the corner, bummy and high? I'm out buying the finest things money can buy. Cats frontin' like they holding, but them crabs is broke. Chipping in for $10 bags of smoke. All on my back because of the fame and the wealth. You melt groupie, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. Plus I'm running with thugs who bust slugs at the heat. I be the MC who mad chicks be loving to meet. And I'm not just a rapper, I got drugs on the street. I swear you never catch Coleon with lugs on his feet. If you think I'm not nice as whoever, then put your money up. Put your jewels up, whatever, put your honey up. Put your raggedy house up, punk, or shut your mouth up before I buck lead. Make a lot of bloodshed, turn your tux red. Fall from broke, got enough bread. Mad hoes, ask Beavis, I get nothing but head.
Go all out, fuck it, get yours. Stick and move with it, get yours. Get dough, you only live once. Sky's the limit, I hope your ears are at attention, y'all. Okay. All out, fuck it, get yours. Stick and move with it, get yours. Get dough, you only live once. Sky's the limit, I hope your ears are at attention, y'all. Okay.
Q&DL, I hear these niggas talking out their mouth slick. Mad cause they bitches all on our dick. Peeping us out at the bar, checking out what kind of champagne we sip. Jealous of the ice on my wrist, we pop Don and Chris, no less. Hard pressed motherfuckers chipping in for White Star Moet. Chicken heads flock around us, thug niggas protect us. At the end of the night, all the hoes wanna sex us. While y'all stand stagnated with blue balls. You face the song, you never find like Blue Raw shit. How the fuck a nigga with two good hands and feet be a bum and not survive in the streets? Get your weight up. Right now, we ain't promised later. Do what you gotta do to get them big-headed papers. Even if it mean you and your team pulling the caper. Instead of going out like bus-headed
it's
straight up.
All out, fuck it, get yours. Stick and move with it, get yours. Get dough, you only live once. Sky's the limit, I hope your ears are at attention, y'all.
Okay.
All out, fuck it, get yours. Stick and move with it, get yours. Get dough, you only live once. Sky's the limit, I hope your ears are at attention, y'all.
Okay.
Check it, my shit so hot I get a mic and heat rash. I keep cash, you couldn't pay me to rhyme if the beat trash. I stay bulletproofed up, Ben's cooped up. When it's cold, I rock the mink or I'm triple goosed up.
No doubt we souped up, arrogant as fuck. Niggas can't touch what we holdin' when it comes to the buck. I push the double R, ride through the city like a star. Don't bulge it out my pockets like my dick be hard.
I gotta go see Poppy and snatch this brick up. But first I'ma smack this bitch up cause she scratched my six up. I ain't the one to try to tax a stick up. Cats get hit up frontin' on me, that nigga's got nothing on me.
Let's double the cream and stick Poppy, hold him for ransom. Keep the bricks.